Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great weekend. It sure has been lovely weather-wise, and hope you're having fun whatever you're doing. I just wanted to touch base with you in terms of what's going on for next week. So we just did our sex history, and you talked a little bit about your own sex education. Maybe that just sort of got you thinking about how that went for you and maybe what you would like to see different, both going forward for yourself and if you ever are planning on being a parent or if you already are a parent. How do you want your kids to learn about sex? And what is problematic about what your learning experience was? Because a lot of times we decide to put a lot of shame around sex education, unfortunately, and if you've had a little bit of time to reflect and do a little bit of the reading, what you know is that culturally sex is something that's highly taboo in our society, which is pretty unfortunate because it's a part of human life. So if you were to if you could have a do-over, how would you do it? And if you become a parent or you are a parent, how would you like to see it done? So those are the things we kind of delved into this week. Now going forward, we're going to think about research methods. So next week we're going to do a module on research methods in human sexuality, and you're going to learn about just kind of what the prevalent research methods are, and then kind of have a bit of an entree into why it is that ethics are really important in research when we use human subjects, and I'll use the Tuskegee experiment as an example. So that's what's coming up tomorrow, and I hope that writing your sex history was interesting, informative, and you were able to give some thought to that. So thank you, have a great week, and I'll just see you on the discussion posts. Bye-bye.